70-meter billboard collapsed in Mumbai's Ghatkopar on Monday after the city was hit by heavy rain and thunderstorm. The illegal hoarding fell on a petrol pump in Ghatkopar's Chheda Nagar junction. I'm standing on the same spot where 14 people lost their lives and 88 were found injured. After it rained heavily, many vehicles seek shelter at this petrol pump to save themselves from the strong dusty winds and rain. But this shelter later turned into a dead trap for them. The rescue operation is still going on. The metal sheets and the crushed vehicles are being removed. The weight of hoarding was so heavy that it destroyed the petrol pump slab. The death toll after the massive hoarding collapse rose to 14 in the morning. National Disaster Response Force (NDRF) ran overnight rescue operation with excavators digging through the wreckage to retrieve the bodies still trapped in the rubble. Currently, out of total injured, 32 have got discharged from the Rajawadi hospital and 42 patients are still under the treatment. Many people were still trapped under the metal rods and the slab of the structure overnight. However, NDRF was facing issues removing the rubble and it restricted them to use cutters or other machineries because it could have led to a hazardous situation as this pump also had gas. Maharashtra's Chief Minister Eknath Shinde inspected the spot of this incident on Monday. He announced help of 5 lakh rupees for the families of the deceased as well as for the treatment for those injured. CM has given orders to conduct a special structural audit of all billboards and hoardings all over the city to avoid such incidents from happening in the future. The BMC said the billboard was put up illegally with no prior permission taken from corporation. Mumbai police have now registered a case under IPC 304, 338, 337 and 34 against the owner Bhavesh Bhide and others at Pantnagar police station. The hoarding measured about 17,014 meters and it was also mentioned in the Limca records as the largest hoarding. However, the BMC stated that the hoarding was illegal. There were 4 illegal hoardings and they were approved by ACP of Commissioner of Railways in 2022. BMC's license department had given notice to particular advertising company to remove its illegal structure. A company was also registered against the agency Ego Media, which constructed the billboard, following which the BMC has filed an FIR. The civic body also mentioned that it allows hoarding size of maximum 40 by 40 square feet. However, this billboard was size of 120 by 120 square feet. BMC's Assistant Commissioner of N Ward has issued a notice to the agency to remove all its hoardings with immediate effect for not having valid permission, and BMC with its own expense will remove all the other hoardings that are built here illegally. Along with video journalist Paresh, this is Rucha Kanolkar for the Free Press Journal, Mumbai.